Where? That suck your mama thinking bomber class. If you have none. Where, boy? You're evil. You're evil. As long as you live, don't see me. As long as you live, rapper, don't see me. Because right now, we brush up on you. Fuck you. They must have been there, so you come so they can't tell me about blood clot, Delroy. I don't want to hear. I don't respond to Delroy, a bomber ass clot. You don't call my name from me no talk. I said, don't blood clot, call nobody for me. You're dead. You kill me, seeing it. You're dead. And you kill your mama. You're dead. How am I evil? Blood clot. Kill your mama. Pussy wall. Kill your mama. You're witchcraft. Your blood clot. You're dumpy. You suck your mama. Are you kill your mama in your body? Are you kill your mama? Alright, test me now. Test me with eyes. You think you can't kill me like how you kill your mama? You think you can't kill me? Blood clot! Like how you kill your mama? Test me to blood clot. You're fraud. Your blood clot. Test me now. Are you going? So you tell me say you have gun. It's a gun, the Wally. Where gun there? Last time I tell you say you have gun. Blood clot, please make me pop out that teeth there and shut your pussy. Suck your mama thinking pussy wall. I want to, if me have money in my body, I want to steal with it right now. I hold on your blood clot and rub them out. Show your blood clot principle. And cut your throat. Cut your blood clot. So you gun there? You're a drunk. You smell bad, you fuck. But you're a Rasta, you're a rascal. Because Rasta man beard. I mean that jungle every day when I come home with beard. You not beard and you there road every blood clot there. You're frozen. You're batty man. You know at the batty where you fuck me, you're frozen. Batty man. Tell me that you know about me. You're frozen in a blood clot. You fuck me. Then you fuck me. Are you fucking teenage? What is pussy warrior? You know, see that in me, that in the pit with them now and come with them because they get to find out say you're prick off and teenage. You put the blood clot and he's up in my ears. You want to put me cheesy? I'm dead. Move your blood clot and go away. Suck your mama. I suck her a long time. You know suck you? Take man the fool like a thing man I idiot. What's up, me done on your blood clot that you think about you mouth stink like you hold it. Hold it up. Your blood clot and broke up that blood clot for your shit in your make sure you can hold it. Your smooth stink like fuck are you? Move on. Your day is done. Move your workplace like a drunk. Pussy wall boy, me see a water and soap to pussy clot. Boy! You worthless little blood clot and nasty. You worthless man job. Bally, you say you worthless man job. I'm not going to do. Do what you do. Bally, are you run down? Bally. Yo, cool man. That boy, they're pussy man. Remember me tell him. You know you matter. I'm in a move there. Man, oh God, man. Cool man. Yeah, let me take you man. Man, you're not going to give this up, sir. Come show me how to safe and not dopey. Show me man how to safe and not dopey. You see that man, so you need this show. Man, you're not dead yet. Let me see. A dopey that. Man, you're a dopey. I'm going to take your gun to come. Where you me up? Take up. You bomber. How do you boy? I think you don't blood clot. I'm have nothing. Man, good evening. Fist to fist. Anybody get dead in the road, you don't have to take up nothing. Attack. You say me are evil, so I tell you who you are. You tell me tonight. But me say you kill your mama. I look your blood clot. Look, you say if me kill me papa, you're wicked. You kill your mama, you're wicked. You're junker. And you suck your mama. You're junker. Yeah, because you know see when you kill your mama, you make her have to fly around. Me kill my mother, you don't know nothing about my mother. Don't touch me body. Don't make me have to mash you up. Don't let me have to listen. If you ever touch me again, blood clot. Hey, Boogie. If you ever touch me again, come back. Well, I'm coming back. Coming back. Blood clot, you're coming back. Come back. where the blood clot starts to foot to foot clot. And your blood clot down road the drink rum. And blood clot you can get and your blood clot. Full blood junk and way.
Thinking dirty dog.
You know what's about you want man lick up to
Try!
Police to come! And when me done with you to blood clot and then up in your blood clot. Let me tell somebody you want to go in and coffee stand. You're dumpy. You want to go in your bumbo clot coffee. Suck your mama thing.
Where say you want to go in and coffee too early, man?
You say you want to go in your fucking coffee. But you want your mama thinking blood clot. And that's the end of the round.
Where?
Where?
You be dead.
Where?
You know what you be dead though.
Where? Put on some.
You dead, you know.
Where? You're nasty.
Me have him, man.
Nasty pussy one. Nasty.
Rapper. Rapper. How you say it's a
What you mean, man? I want nasty boy, you know. When you walk around a yard and you not gonna wash your fucking face.
Bumbo clot and go.
Bumbo clot. How do you feel? Hey.
Bumbo clot.
Alright, rapper. Bumbo clot, you know what? Alright.